Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to take screenshots on iPhone. Screenshots have lots of different uses. They can be used to capture and share error messages for troubleshooting and save memorable moments from a video or game, or provide step-by-step guides and tutorials and to document important information that can't be easily saved in other ways. Screenshots can be used to share content with others, such as a funny text conversation, a live stream, or an inspiring post. Now, let's see how we can take a screenshot. To take a screenshot on iPhone, you can press and release the side and volume up buttons at the same time for iPhones with Face ID. Press and release the side and home buttons at the same time for iPhones with Touch ID and the side button. You can also press and release the top and home buttons at the same time for iPhones with Touch ID and the tap button. That's it for today. That's how you're going to take screenshot. Thanks for watching.